Bad Bird specializes in umami fried chicken by Chef Jen Gerodias-Slagle. There are three spice levels: safe, spicy, and chemical, with continental and Asian-inspired side dishes. If you can handle the heat, try the chemical. It will definitely make the pores on your head blow out steam. Order the chicken platter, which comes with 2 pieces of chicken, and from the sides, we suggest either the waffles or the dirty rice with kimchi. The Beef has a mission to serve the best uncluttered burgers on this side of the planet. Simple, tender, and juicy burgers and cheeseburgers made with love and the highest quality ingredients. They have a decent burger made with Australian beef and a great addition to the hole-in-the-wall food hall.